Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. I'm Marislyn Magaro. I'm 26 years old. I'm married, no children, from San Jose, Mayantok, Tarlac. My previous job was a helper here in Philippines for 5 years. My duties are cooking, washing the dishes, cleaning the house, ironing, and grocery shopping, and many more. I'd like to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money and provide my family needs and earn a savings. To my future employers, please hire me because I'm a loyal, trustworthy, and hardworking woman. I promise I'll do my duties and responsibilities and do all my best. To my future employer, I look forward to work with you. Thank you. Have a good day.